So now we've gone through our basic search. Let's try our advanced search. And to do that, I'm actually going to click the advanced search button. This is going to bring up very similar to our last search screen, except instead of just one box, we're going to have three boxes to put all kinds of stuff in so we can actually double up and add more information. This time, not only am I going to be looking for the science of reading, I'm also going to be looking for assessments. And I can do some limits to this. I can make sure that it's full text. I can make sure that my journal articles are peer reviewed. That means they've been checked out by other professionals and gone through a process to make sure that they are legitimate. And I can even make sure that it's been done in the last 12 months. I want my most up to date information. So let's see what this pulls up for us. Shooting for about 400 articles. Let's see what we get. Oh, that's a lot. So that's almost 70,000 articles. Too much for me to go through. I am going to limit it to just academic journals. It's going to shorten me down about 1,000. So there's a lot of information here. Let's see what kind of things we can find. Seen some of the articles, but do you notice that it's saying math, science, and reading? And there was a trick that we learned last time. I'm going to come up and go back to my advanced search. I want to show you these tools over here. What we were doing is called a keyword search. All fields, it's looking for things in a very random way. We can also put subject terms, but I don't know actually what the subject terms are for these. You can't just put in any words for a subject term. There are fixed words that are set up in a certain way. They're decided by the Library of Congress, and unless you know them, you can't really use those subject terms. But there are a couple other things here. You also see that you can choose by or search by author and title, even a journal source if you know the journal that you're looking for. But that one little trick with the brackets that I showed you last time, I can also change this to and, but, or not, but I want it to still be and I'm going to see if this pulls up a little less. There we've got a good list that we're looking for. You notice that I don't want thousands and thousands of sources to go through. I want a smaller amount because I'm human and I can only go through so many articles. But these should be geared more towards the science of reading. I see my first one still is not. It's still looking for assessments, but I do see some that are talking about the science of reading. I'm looking specifically for those earlier grades, so this might be an article that I want to do, show you some of the access options. We can get a full text. We can get it online if we'd like. I like the online text myself. I can link back to it. So this gives me my citation tool again. I can cite it in any style that I want, AP, your instructor is wanting. I should be able to add this to a project. I can save this item. I can even download this to my computer to have a look at later. So this is our advanced search tool. It is a little bit more complex than our simple search at our Rice library, but you can use it to narrow down information and find exactly what you're looking for. If you do have questions, please don't hesitate to contact our librarians at the Rice Library. They can help you find whatever it is you're searching for. Thank you.